The Cordset is a 3-wire cord with a quick connect plug on one end. Power cords tend to receive lots of abuse. The cord can be cut, nicked, internally damaged, or have the prongs broken off. The quick connect can wear out over time, or it can be damaged by an electric arc if it is not properly tightened. A damaged cord should be immediately replaced to avoid electrical shock. Replacing the cord is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
The cord is secured to your router with a quick connect fitting. To remove it, I just unscrew the fitting and then pull the cord away from the housing. Now I can install the new cord. You'll notice at the top of the coupling there's a tab, and that tab should be up. I'll insert the cord into the fitting and secure it with the coupling. And that's all it takes to install a new cord on your router. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.